Hey sweet friends, welcome back to my kitchen, the place where dessert is always a good idea and baking is optional. Today we're making my absolute favorite, homemade vegan chocolate bars. They're chocolatey, creamy, naturally sweetened, and yep, no baking required. If you're into healthier treats that don't taste like cardboard, you're in the right place. We start with blanched almonds. Into the mixer they go for about 40 seconds. We want them finely ground, but not almond flour level, just enough to keep a little texture. Then comes the magic trio: coconut sugar, cocoa powder, and a pinch of sea salt. Blend that up for about 30 more seconds. Already smells like something snack-worthy. Now we get into silky territory: almond butter and vanilla extract. Honestly, almond butter is so good it could be its own dessert, but today it's just getting started. Mix it all again for about a minute until smooth and fudge-like. Next, coconut milk and a spoon of chilled coconut cream. That's the secret to getting that nougat-like soft bite without using a truckload of sugar. We're going tropical and creamy, people. One final blend, 1 minute, and the base is ready. Just look at that texture. Soft, sticky, chocolatey. It's basically edible Play-Doh, but delicious. Now grab a square cake pan and press that dough evenly across the bottom. Use a spatula or your hands in whatever gets the job done. It's going to be the bottom layer of our chocolate bar dream. Once it's leveled out, it goes into the fridge for a quick chill. Meanwhile, caramel time. Into the blender go 12 pitted dates, plus another scoop of almond butter because, why not? You can't have too much almond butter. That's just science. Now add coconut milk, maple syrup, a pinch of salt, and a spoon of coconut oil. That combo is sticky sweet perfection. Blend it up until smooth. About a minute should do the trick. This caramel layer is what makes everything feel indulgent. Spread it gently over the nougat base and smooth it out. Then send it to the freezer to firm up for 30 minutes. Time to get melty. Here comes the best part: chocolate coating. I'm chopping 240 grams of dark chocolate, at least 65% cocoa for that rich, intense flavor. Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite chocolate brand for melting? I melt mine over a gentle water bath. Stirring patiently, no rushing. Chocolate is like a cat. It does not like stress or high temperatures. Once it's soft and glossy, we are ready to dip. Grab the chilled pan and cut the nougat caramel block into even bars. Try not to eat any yet. We're almost there. Now, one by one, we coat each bar in melted chocolate. Dip, roll, admire. It's a little hypnotic watching that chocolate slowly wrap each bar like a silky blanket. Just take your time. It's worth every second. Once coated, pop them into the freezer for 30 more minutes. That's the final chill before the magic happens. Okay, moment of truth. Look at these beauties. Smooth chocolate outside, creamy layered inside, and way healthier than the real deal. If this recipe made you smile, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a new sweet idea.